And let's see. Ooh. This may not work. Hi guys, I'm gonna make an attempt to get FREETRESS Valentino over my locks. It's been probably 2.5 years since I've been able to wear wigs. My locks are thick and they're not uniform, so it's very difficult to braid down. The ends get very thick and bulky, so this is my attempt to get my locks as flat as possible. I have my rubber bands.
Here I grabbed about 6 strands. Be sure while braiding, you braid underhand and braid flat to the scalp. You want to get the braid as flat as possible, obviously, so the wig would be able to lay down as flat as possible, and braid all the way down to the end. Once finished braiding, just rubber band, secure the ends with a rubber band so your locks don't unravel. And just do that throughout your head. Here I'm using Dr. Locs to lock in the braid and keep it moisturized.
All right, so I'm done. 6 braids. Have a large stocking cap. So I'm not gonna use bobby pins because I am moving to Hawaii tomorrow. I ain't got time for TSA. I'm gonna sew it. So I'm just going to loop-de-loop, crisscross as flat as I can.
Just crisscross.
So I'm done sewing. So I just crisscrossed it. I just tacked here, 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 and here. And we'll put the stock on. All right, I got my wig grip. I'm gonna do a middle part. I have the FREETRESS Equal Valentino PB. Okay, here we go. Internet besties said that this was big head friendly. So not only do I have a big head, I also have thick long locks. I'm hooking the latches here, and let's see. Ooh. This may not work. It is not going on the way I need it to. No. The struggle. Okay, so I put another wig cap on. Jesus. I took the wig grip off because clearly it ain't going nowhere. It's still tight than a mug. OMG. Help me, Father. I need to put a part there, right? I guess. Help me. All right. Okay. Whew, Jesus. What else can I do here? Okay, so I'm going to cut the inside of the wig to see if I can get more stretch out of her. So I'm going to take the inside and just cut a little bit. Take, you know, it's the inside of the band where the strap is. And I'm just going to cut a very little piece there. So just a little small piece. Hope you can see that. I'm gonna do that on both sides. All right, let's try this again. That fits so much better. Had to come in the bathroom, get that final look. I got it on. It's not coming off. It's not coming off. Oh, Lord, if nothing else, this was fun to be able to change up the look. I don't feel like it's completely flat, but I love it. It has a little shine to it, so I'm gonna put some of this dry shampoo on it. Kind of get that shine out of it. And this is it. This is it. Brush it out a little bit. And I like the you know, I like the middle, but let's see how it looks on the side. Oh, I like that too. I like that actually. I'm about to change the part up a little bit, but okay. Come through side. So there you have it. This is not big head friendly, however, I did a big head hack and it worked just fine.